Hello, this is Tim Perfect from Tucanoe Software, and I've made some good progress on certificate request and bulk exporting of Wi-Fi configuration profiles from certificates automatically gotten from Active Directory Certificate Authority. So let me show you a quick demo. So here's the setup. Let me launch certificate request. I'll authenticate as a user or as an admin on with certificate request Active Directory just to show you that it populates the interface, because I'll need those values in a minute. So I've got a Kerberos ticket with my user account. It filled in what my certificate authority is, what the certificate authority name was, and the template, all that selecting of templates. So the template I'm going to use is one called Computer Enroll. That's one that I set up for computer accounts. And instead of just hitting request and install certificate, I'm going to actually bulk do it. I'm actually going to create 3 certificate requests at once. But wait, it doesn't stop there. I've also added an ability to configure Wi-Fi configuration profiles as well. So my secure network is called Secure. The only options I'll do is my certificate, my root certificate. So I'll select my CA. Normally I would do the identity and I could just export the profile and import it, but since we're only going to use this as bulk, I don't need to do the identity for certificate. So I'll just save it as a template, and I will call this template Wi-Fi config template. And I'll save it to my desktop. And now I can choose this bulk export. So it has 2 different options. It'll select the template. I have to select the template I just did, but also I'm going to have a CSV file of all the user accounts I want to create. So let me show you that briefly. So I have these 3 user accounts. They're actually 3 devices. This is the UPN, basically the username in Active Directory. Here's the password that I did for them, and CN, which currently isn't being used. So let me select that. So I'll select CSV, and here's my import. And I'll select that template on the desktop. And now I will do my request. It'll prompt me to save it, and I'll put it in here, exported. Here we go, and I'll save it in this folder, and then I'll go out and request those and build profiles for each one of them. And it'll just take a moment, and now I can see that in my export profile I have 3 configuration profiles. If I double click on one of them, it'll actually install it, and I'll show the profile. You can see this is device 01, has the certificate and the Wi-Fi configuration. So I can go ahead and install this. And now you can see it's installed, and now under network I have my 802.1x configuration. Actually, I can look at that if I go into 802.1x. Here's my Wi-Fi secure network. So that's a very easy way to bulk export these. Now I can just send these down to the different devices.